this video is crazy because I was gonna start this video thinking, oh, my 3DZ has Rodknock, and then I was like, this sucks. I don't want to be pulling the VQ to put another VQ. Like, that's just work I don't want to be doing on my missile car. But it turned out it's not Rodknock, and it's crazy because it sounds just like Rodknock, and I've had Rodknock plenty of times. So I'm gonna show you guys what it sounds like and what it is. I still don't know because I haven't taken apart what I need to fix. So I haven't figured out what it is that's making this noise. I have an idea, but listen to this. Okay, my camera battery died, but I had to pull the G up and jump start it. But listen to this. You can hear it's like down there. Excuse the valve train noise. Right? So that sounds like at the bottom end of the block, it could be Rodknock. Listen, Rodknock, no Rodknock. Rodknock, no Rodknock. Rodknock. I had forgotten that the clutch was not working properly last time we were at the track and Megan was driving, and I knew I needed a clutch, but this noise is fairly new. It was not there at the track, and it was not there when I brought it back. The car's just sitting, and I think the throttle bearing is messed up, or a tooth in the pressure plate, or the fork is bent. Something is hitting there that shouldn't. Oh, what's that right there? Is that a transmission? Is that a transmission?
It is. It's your transmission.
This is transmission.
Yeah.
It
well,
needs
obviously
it.
you're not. What are you gonna do? Ride it up you?
Yeah. So my battery died on Saturday, and I'm back. It's Monday. Justin and Rachel are here. They're helping me. So is Oni. And we're just gonna get the trans out and see what that noise it's coming from. But from under there, when Justin pressed the clutch at the top, I saw the slave engage the throwout bearing, and then when he let go of the clutch pedal stayed down and the slave stayed engaged. So something in there is stuck. So it's probably throwout bearing pressure plate area, and it's not allowing that to come back. So something's funky in there, but we already know that because of the noise. So we're about to drop the trans. Justin's under here getting them bolts. We already got the exhaust and the drive shaft out. Almost there.
Okay, I can't get it up.
Pull it out.
I can't.
Pull it out.
No, it's stuck.
Why is it stuck?
It's too tall.
Make it less tall.
Okay.
Justin made a good point. Make sure you don't mess up and put the same trans back in. So we wrote go on this one, because this is green for go. This is the one going back in. So the first thing we can see, there's a lot of crud in here. That's clutch material, and that's not supposed to be in there. Oni, what are you doing? You're not a transmission expert. Get out of here. But that's the problem. So it looks like our clutch is definitely getting destroyed. This, oh, that's not too good. Something's wrong there. It won't engage. Oh, that's like seized.
Did you get a new throwout bearing?
Yeah, I got a new throwout bearing. The clutch down here doesn't look too bad. I mean, you can't see it yet, so we're gonna have to take it off. But from here, it looks fine. At least the pressure plate teeth didn't break. That could be really catastrophic and destroy a bunch of stuff. Here we go.
And here we go.
And here we go.
Oh man, I'm scared. On your back up. Oh, that's not good. You see that? Look down. I lifted this up just now. This has a full contact, so it looked good. But as soon as I lifted it, well, it looked like that the clutch wasn't happy. You know, it did not want to stay together for that one. So stock clutch and drifting, don't do it. It doesn't work. I'm glad it was that simple, and none of the pressure plate didn't decide to come apart, because that is catastrophic. I don't like that. That's good. That's not bad. Will it clutch? Find out in the next episode of R&D Garage. eBay clutch for the win. That don't. Nope.
Will the mount come off? Find out in the next episode.
Justin's never taken the transmission mount off apparently.
Yeah, I have.
Oh, look at this! Look at
They're
this!
never
It's
this
red.
hard. Oh, you're gonna do an unboxing on the clutch?
I got me an STD.
Oh no! No! Marco, you need to see a doctor.
Oh, one more thing. I was about to put that down. You kind of don't want to get stuff on the flywheel surface. And it already looks like crap straight from eBay. I mean, it's an STD. You can't expect it. All right. Well, you got it out. Don't take this out of the wrap until you're ready to use it. But just so you know, I got a 6-puck.
Whoa, how many pucks?
6! And it's sprung still. Do not get unsprung. That'll break everything. Okay, this thing.
What the fuck?
The most needed part, pilot bearing and throwout bearing. Essential.
What the fuck is this?
And of course, a new flywheel. Again, try not to touch this stuff. Even like your skin or whatever. You don't want to touch that, especially your
Marco, I'm
gloves.
retarded.
So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in.
Oh wait, do you know what side goes towards the training?
Yeah, I'm literally about to talk that on the camera.
Yeah, you should say that.
A lot of people make this mistake. They put the clutch in the wrong way. The fat part goes out, never towards your flywheel. Okay? Flywheel, always flat side. This goes into your pressure plate. There's plenty of room in there. That's how you mess things up. Put that on there. That's how you know it works. Then you put your pressure plate. What kind of STD?
Which one, the XTD?
The red one.
Oh, the red one.
The correct one.
You can see this still wiggles. It's not like 100% in because this plastic one doesn't go all the way into the pivot. It doesn't go all the way into the pilot bearing. So you just got to make sure you're in the center. Pass me your bolt, please.
So this is my old trans. It's got that pivot bushing there and then the arm. I took the little bracket you need for the throwout bearing. I already swapped it. It's right here. Took the old throwout bearing off and I put this one on. I got to talk to you guys about that for a second. But first of all, here's what I found with my new trans. Now one day they tried to sell it. That looks like the pivot got stuck in there and they broke it off. And there it is. So they sold this trans because they didn't want to deal with that, most likely. That's a good thing in my opinion because that means the trans is actually good and they just sold it because of that. And that way I can fix that. That's not hard. And I have a good trans. What I want to show you guys is the new throwout bearing to the old throwout bearing. You can see right here, they are different thicknesses. And one is higher than the other. You need to put the new throwout bearing, the one that always comes with your clutch, because the engagement on the pressure plate is going to be at a different location than the old one. So you never want to keep your old one. This one seems fine. It's not even bad and there's not too much play in it. It's pretty good. Probably a new one replaced recently, but it doesn't go with my pressure plate, so it's a different thickness. You definitely want the one for your clutch.
Oni, come here.
Ready? Are you recording? Are you sure? Did you get it?
You can get closer now.
Yeah, I'm done.
I know, but I
I
just...
welded it, and I didn't even have to impact it. I got it with my hand. Look at these. It's because like Justin told me this, and it makes sense. I forgot. The gun, the welding, also heats up everything around it. It's like if you put a torch to a stuck bolt, it loosens the threads. That means it's able to come out. To plow. Did you get it? Did you get it? Are you recording?
I'm zooming in on it.
Yeah.
But this is zooming really slow.
Can you see it, Rachel? Can you see my amazing work? This way. There you go.
Back up, Sean.
Back up.
Yeah. There you go. Go up. I can't. There it goes. There it goes. Is it in? I think it's in.
Well, we just gotta do what Daddy Yankee said.
What?
Shaky, 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 shaky.
Made it to the shop, brought the race car. I already started working. I gotta get that in there, but first we gotta get the Z out. Pretty excited because I mounting wheels. I already got everything done on the Z. Just gotta put wheels and get it down. Little brake parts cleaner, lighter. Ooh, baby! Gotta get some air in it before the bead pops. Literally, let's see if it goes in gear. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, reverse. Yeah, it's reversing. Forward, first gear. All right, we got clutch, we got movement. Hooray! Let's take it for a rip. In case you were wondering, this is a standard DS kit, and that's how low it is. It's pretty slammed. That's standard. This side is obviously raised because the weight is off of it, but it's still pretty low. You can hear that single mass flywheel really aggressively. See if my lights still work. Yup. High beam. Man, that clutch is aggressive. It is very cold still. Woo! Scrapey scrape. Everything is shaking, guys. Everything. Oh man, got a little death wobble there. Hooray, the Z lives. It's shifting through the gears just fine. That's fifth, that's sixth. Back to fourth, third, second, first. Oh man, I'm excited. This thing lives and it's registered, and it doesn't grind through the gears. That was so annoying. Clutch needs to be warmed up for sure. So this car doesn't have an e-brake, so to get it to stop, you just turn the wheel and let the angle do its thing. The GK Tech adapter kit with the welded diff just kind of holds it up by itself. Well guys, so like this video started, it's not Rodknock, it was the clutch, and like you saw, it was torn apart. I don't know why the clutch was still engaged and it wouldn't disengage. That was weird. Usually when the clutch breaks, it's like there is no power transfer to the wheels. The car actually had power transfer to the wheels all the time, and the pressure plate wouldn't come back. I think the teeth on the plate just probably went bad and bent with all the clutch kicks and stuff. But look, car's back, it's all good. It is now registered for Florida. I'm gonna drive it to work tomorrow, the rest of the week, and I can mess around with it and see if the motor's good, the tranny's good, everything. Just make sure everything's set up ready for I have next weekend, and then the weekend after that is Black Friday Drift, which we're gonna go missile this thing and just throw it around and hit everybody. I'm pretty excited about that. Next, this weekend coming up, we're gonna finish the S13 hopefully, so we can bring both of the cars. And then the Z is going, and then the Z throughout the week, I want to take the dash out and get the AC working again and all the controls in there back in its place. It's kind of just all over the place right now. They never got put back and I never cared for it, but now I do. So I'm gonna try to get all that fixed. But that's gonna be it for right now, guys. I really appreciate you guys watching, liking, subscribing, commenting. Please tell me more, follow on Instagram, and you know, tell me what you want me to do. It's hard for me to post videos all the time. I work full time. I've said this a million times, I'll say it again. It's hard. I'm here at night after work, come straight from work to here, so I can work on the car and shoot videos and then go home and edit them, and I have to go back to work tomorrow. So I know you guys hear it a lot, but I just want you guys to know I'm trying my best here, and I hope you guys are enjoying this, and you know, we do what we can do. Thank you guys again. Until next time, goodbye.